Sometimes life can get very complicated, and for those days that you don't have enough time to cook, don't worry. On-Cor and I will have the solution for the perfect meal in just minutes.
Hola, soy Laura. Muchos de ustedes conocen mi larga lucha y sufrimiento con el sobrepeso. Una vez más, me enfrento a mí misma en la búsqueda de la salud y el equilibrio entre ser madre, profesionista y mi bienestar. Estoy en el proceso.
For this recipe you will need 2 spoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and a whole bag of Asian mixed vegetables. And as our entry, we're having the On-Cor Gravy 6 Salisbury Steak. These are complete cooked frozen entries that you can find on your frozen aisles in the supermarket as well as the vegetables. So this is very easy to do. We're just gonna get rid of the film that is covering this special tray that can go straight into the oven, and we're gonna put it there to cook. We're gonna let it cook in the oven at 375 Fahrenheit for about 50 to 55 minutes. Now for our Asian vegetables, we are gonna put in here our 2 spoons of olive oil. Let it warm up. I'm gonna add my minced garlic. Saute and add the vegetables, just as they are frozen. Saute and cover with the lid. Set the temperature to the lowest and let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now we're gonna take our On-Cor Gravy and 6 Salisbury steak out of the tray, and we're gonna cut it in pieces. So this is all ready to go. We're gonna mix it with the vegetables along with the gravy that believe me is really, really delicious. Stir all together, and you can have this with some white rice. And you know what? Dinner is ready to go. I told you the recipe was fast and easy. Always easy, always satisfying, always ready. You can find On-Cor at your local retailer. You wanna see how it tastes? You're gonna love it.